Hello Ji, Sat Shri Akal. I hope and I wish that you all are doing great and superb. And this angel card reading is for year 2020 December. I am so excited for it because this is the last month of year 2020 and this year has been really very growing, very uplifting, very experiencing for many people, but for many people they have been beating the same drum. So moving ahead with this angel card reading for year 2020 December month, start karan to pehla I would like you to know my cards as well. Pehli angel card reading is for Doreen Virtue, Archangel Gabriel. I'll be sharing a closer picture of this as well. And the second angel card reading is from Angels of Abundance, because I know that many people are dealing with abundance issues this year, so they really want to know how December 2020 is going to be. So let's start with the first angel card reading, and let me tell you, whosoever is watching right now is actually divinely guided for the same. Yeah, this is the reason you are watching this. So watch, listen, do apply. Don't only listen, do take action as well. So first angel card reading for all of you for this December 2020 general angel card reading related to life, related to end of this year, coming year. Okay, so I have too many cards which flipped. Alright, this is beautiful. I'll be sharing a closer picture of this. Archangel Gabriel has to say deserving. So this is beautiful, beautiful angel sending a sign of assurance that yes, you deserve. Alright, you, like all of God's children, deserve happiness, health and love. Happiness, health and love. Whosoever who are going into some drained energy related to happiness, maybe in any field, health or love. Actually, Rabli, you all are one. Okay, you are God's child and you deserve it. So never condemn yourself, oh, you know, I don't have this, or maybe I'm not going to have this ever. 2020 has been this and that and blah blah. Basically, you deserve it. Okay, so this is kind of an assurance that you deserve this. Yeah, and you are God's child and you deserve all the happiness, health and love. Be positive. So this is the first card, and now we'll go with the next angel card reading, which is really important and which is related to abundance. Abundance for December 2020 and coming year as well. Okay, this was really quick. And the card is, okay, it is safe for you to receive. So we'll go a little deeper. There's this beautiful soul like an angel sitting with animals all around, some fruits, some, you know, all the nature. The more you allow yourself to receive, the more resources you have available to share with others. So basically, you have to receive. You know, you have to be in that receptive mode to receive. Sometimes we block that way. Like if I'm saying this, we do it like this. No, this is happening, that is happening. Oh, din naal ye ho gaya, oh, din naal ye ho gaya. Life is like this. 2020 has been like this. December is like this. Stop it. Be in that receptive mode. Come in that mode of, you know, receptivity. And the more you allow, the more you have to give it to others. Jive kehte hain, an empty vessel cannot serve. So you have to be full with that energy so that you are able to serve others as well. And that gives so much of peace inside. The more you allow yourself to receive, the more resources you have available to share with others, and that will come magically if you will start the receptivity. Open your arms. Open your arms to receive and to be conduit for good coming to you and through you as it blesses the world. So you are going to be the channel as well. if you receive good, you are going to give good to others. Alright, so you have to, you can think yourself as a vessel. Whatever you pour in, you are going to give it out. So be receptive. Stop all the blockages of negative souls, negative people talking negative, or maybe any negativity which is there in and around you, or maybe in your life journey. You have to stop that and be in that receptive mode, not blocking it. Okay, not saying okay fine, I'm done. No, receiving, be ready for it, because universe is always ready to give. It is just that you have to ask for it. So these are the messages for year 2020 December. Have a nice ending of this year. You have so much to learn from this year if you wish to, because empty vessel जो सोचना चाहता है वही आएगा. If you keep beating the drum of negativity, तब full हो जाएगा ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ. If you beat the drum, okay fine, ये हो गया, I accept it. Practically, you have to be practical कि ये सब कुछ हुआ है. But now what? So by the end of it, be receptive. So that's it. Have a happy December 2020. God bless you all. For any personal angel card reading, you can always message me, DM me, and I'll fix a scheduled appointment for you, but only online or on on a video call or something like that, because we got to be safe. God bless you all.